Welcome to Inspire for Travel. Today I am super excited to share with you a mind-blowing experience touring one of England's largest shopping mall. And just in case you're wondering what the hell I'm talking about, sit back, relax, and treat yourself to a cup of hot chocolate, smoothie, or a bottle of H2O, because we're touring Westfield shopping mall, baby. Now, what you are witnessing here is Westfield's shopping mall located in Shepherd's Bush, West London at night time. To your left, you'll observe many restaurants and bars. It's an amazing place to socialize with friends and family. And especially on the weekends, during the evening, at night time, it can be a wonderful place with an exciting atmosphere to be at. So definitely whenever you visit England and you come to London, you should definitely check out Westfield shopping malls in West London. Getting to the Westfield shopping centre in Shepherd's Bush, West London is not a difficult task at all. You have the option of using the London Underground, and there are two train stations which are very nearby the Westfield shopping mall. That is Shepherd's Bush train station and also White City train station. So make use of the Underground and you can get off at any of these two train stations, and it's only about a 2 to 3 minute walk away. And if you're feeling really jazzy and want to get wavy like a jet ski on your night out in London, you can always make use of the Uber app or also a Bolt to get around the city and other parts of London. I am now walking inside of the Westfield shopping mall. Now in here you can find a lot of your name brand stores such as H&M, Boots, Gucci, Gap, Louis Vuitton and many more. Now this will definitely help enrich your shopping experience if that's what you're coming to do. Now there are also some lesser known brands as well which you can find here, which will make shopping at Westfield even more enjoyable if that is something that you're interested in when you visit London. However, if you're not interested in shopping, you can also enjoy their amazing array of foods they have here. Now there are a lot of continental restaurants that you can find in the mall, so you can definitely relax and enjoy some good food if that's what you want to do. Now this section is literally at the back of the Westfield shopping mall, and it's more closer to the White City train station. Now especially on a hot summer's day, the place is amazing to be at. The atmosphere, the vibe of the place, you can enjoy the water fountain while you just sit and relax and enjoy the hot summer sun. And also if you have children, they can also play here and look at the amazing flowers and plants you can also see here. So as you can see, the Westfield shopping mall has a lot to offer for those who may visit, so it's definitely a place you can check out whenever you visit London. Thank you for watching Inspire for Travel. Until next time, peace.